So let's get right into it. It comes with batteries for the controller. That's the TQI controller, looks like. No, just the style of a TQI controller. Quick start guide. Let's see if we get in here. I apologize. I don't have my normal setup at the moment with the cameras, so I do apologize if you see my arms passing in front of the car. So it comes with excuse me. It comes with a nickel metal hydride battery. It's like it's an ID using the Traxxas ID. It's a 1200 milliamp, 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride battery pack. It has a Traxxas connector. And seems straightforward. It does have like oil-filled shocks, perhaps. Yeah, they're working kind of smooth. Given that they're small, it does seem actually kind of responsive for something so small. Okay. Battery tray. There's a servo. Let's see the model number on that is 2065 is what it looks like. This is supposed to have waterproof components. Kind of straightforward. See the button on So like a simple design. Feels solid. The plastic's kind of tough. Even the shock tower seems decent in strength on the plastic. But yep. Shot at the bottom. Batteries in it, and it looks like it's going to run really, really fast for something so small. Yeah, not a whole lot to the tires there, but just to give you an idea. Yeah, that's going to be fine. So I need to take this out, break in the motor, and then see how it does overall. There we go. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos coming out of this once I get the motor broken in, and yeah, we'll see how it performs. This ended up costing around $120 from Hobbytown. I don't know how often there might be some kind of sale on this or not, whether or not they have them, and if so, how often. That's about it. Next videos involving this, we'll be having it out, running it flat out to see how fast did it go, how the suspension is, how long the battery lasts. So I'll run through all that and check it out. Anyway, thanks for checking this out and tuning in. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. If you like the video, consider giving it a like. And until next time,